Right, I'm here at Yate train station. Just wanted to show you this building here, which I think is an old engine shed from back in the day. It's obviously not part of, doesn't seem to be part of the railway line anymore. It's all fenced off and over there now in like a car park and car wash thing. But it just looks to me like it would have been an engine shed back in the day with the two, it's got two big doors on the front there, which obviously look big enough to me to get a engine through. Maybe some kind of a workshop or something on the steam engines. So if anybody thinks it looks like that's what it could be, let me know in the comments. That'd be brilliant. As I said, we're at Yate. Yate it's about 11 miles north from the centre of Bristol, and it's all pretty quiet at the moment. But yeah, well, that's the reason why I was saying anyway is because of the building there, which looks to me like would have been to do with the railway. Right, cheers. So if you got any, if you can say yay or nay, am I wrong or am I on the right path? Any comments below would be great. Cheers.
There she is. Dash. What the hell? Dash. Slow one this time. Birds in the hole. Nice.